Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another
Hi.
episode of your Speak English Confidently podcast. I'm Jam, and together with me are two of our friends, which are Erwin. Hi. And
Hello.
Ria. Thank you
Hi.
guys for your time. Are you guys excited for today's lesson?
Yes.
Yes.
Because every week, guys, if you don't know, if you're new here, every week we introduce another phrase that we get to practice the whole week. So we become very confident with this specific term. And for this term, for this week, we are going to talk about the term rain check. Have you heard of this term before, Erwin?
Um, not really, not really.
Not yet. How about you, Ria?
Not really, also.
Honestly, in my case, only
Mm-hmm.
thrice. I've
Mm-hmm.
heard this from
Nice.
my friends, and I usually get this whenever we are setting a meeting or a meetup. They're like, rain check on this. I'm like, what's a rain check? It's not raining anyways. Like, what is that? Okay. And I learned that rain check means to postpone or reschedule, meaning to say this person cannot commit to come to that meeting or meet up because maybe this person has bigger priorities that day. So that means to postpone or reschedule. And let us confirm through the Flow Speak app. Are you guys ready for this? Yeah?
Let's
Yes.
go.
Ready?
There you go. Do you see it?
Yes. You see it?
Perfect. See, let us hear from the Flow Speak app, which you can use to practice English for free. If you want to start it, link in our description box. Let's hear it.
Rain check. Rain check means to postpone or reschedule something. In the early days of baseball, when a game was canceled due to rain, customers were given a ticket to return to a future game without having to pay again. These tickets became known as rain checks. Practice talking about rescheduling plans.
Okay, guys. See, it says here to postpone or reschedule something. So I am right, right? I am right. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
As
So let us try this, Ria. You want to try this? You want to try this?
okay.
You have to respond to this, okay? We were thinking of having lunch together after the meeting tomorrow. Are you in? So
Okay,
when you say,
let's
are
get
you in? Are you
samples.
game? Okay, let us see some samples. Are you ready to see the samples?
Okay, ready?
There's a professional one and a casual one.
Mm.
Which one would you like to choose?
The professional one.
The professional one, which is the first one. Let's
The
hear
first
this.
one,
I
yeah.
am very sorry, but I need to take a rain check. I have another meeting scheduled.
Ria, you just need to repeat this. Are you ready for
Okay.
this, Ria?
Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
I am very oh sorry. I am very sorry, but I need to rain check. I have another meeting scheduled.
Let us see the result. Scoring the pronunciation. By the
Okay.
way, we have scores here, but on the
Yeah.
paid version, the premium version, you see the breakdown. Oh, it's excellent!
Well,
It's
excellent.
See,
good.
round of applause. But there are just words that you miss, such as need.
Yeah.
Okay, when you see a green one, it means you did it perfectly.
Mm,
When it's a yellow green, it means it's, it's okay, it's fair. And when you
mhm,
say the red one, we see the red one, then it means it needs to be improved. So there's a
mhm.
word score. You see that? You see that? Yeah.
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 Okay. But that is excellent, Ria. We are so proud of you. Okay.
Thank you.
Erwin, are you ready for the next one, Erwin?
Let's go.
Let
See.
us go. Okay. You have to answer this, Erwin. I completely understand. Does next week work for you? Let us see the samples. Erwin, which one would you like? The first one or the second one?
I'm gonna go with I'm more of a casual person, so
Or you're more of a casual person? Let us hear the version, okay?
Let me check my schedule. I'll touch base with you later this week.
Oh, do you want to do this? Yeah?
yeah, let's go.
Perfect. Let's start recording now.
Let me check my schedule. I'll touch base with you later this week.
Let us see the result. Are you feeling any pressure right now, Erwin?
No pressure at all.
No pressure. Very
Wow.
confident. Wow, wonderful. You got an excellent
Wow.
score. See the breakdown there. Once again, if you want the breakdown, you can only see this through the premium version.
Mhm.
So the week is something that we need to improve on when it comes to pronouncing that word. But that is okay. Nobody's judging you. You can keep on retrying by tapping this. So see, I could have tried for you. I completely understand. Does next week work for you? Oh no, I'm right. I'm not right. Wait lang. Sorry. Let me just repeat. See? It's a safe space. Nobody's judging.
No safe
Yeah.
space, yeah.
Let us reply. Let us use the first term. Okay.
Examples.
I will check my calendar and let you know by the end of the day. See, I did the professional one this time. Let us see my score, everybody. What is my score? How did I do? Excellent.
Excellent. Still.
Excellent. Wonderful. It's my turn now. You cannot skip my turn, okay? It says here, no worries. We can work with your schedule to make it work. So let us see the sample. How do I respond? Here, I'll use the casual one, the second one. Let me hear this.
Thanks. I appreciate the rain check.
Okay, let me do this. Are you guys ready for my turn?
Yes, ready.
Yes.
Let us do this. Thanks. I appreciate the rain check. Oh, let us see my
Easy.
result.
Nice.
I'm very excited and not nervous. Oh,
Wow.
excellent. Round of applause, guys. Applause. Round of applause. It has to be round. Let us see the breakdown. See, I didn't mention the word check properly, but that is okay. And guys, we finished the lesson.
Wow.
I am very proud of us.
Yay!
Are you guys happy?
Yes,
Yay.
Did you guys
happy.
enjoy this?
Yes, we enjoy it.
Yes.
Perfect.
I may have to rain
And
check.
because of that, we have to start using this term.
Yes.
Rain check. Everybody say rain check. 1, 2, 3, go.
Rain
Rain
check.
check.
Very good. And this is something that we will use the whole week. Okay, so we can become more confident with this term. But next week is another term to be, practice. Ria, what is the term to be practiced next week?
Call the shots.
Call the
The
shots. Have you heard this
Yes.
before, Erwin?
Yeah, I think I've heard of it.
Why are you doing
All
that?
the shots.
Erwin's like,
Shots.
okay, call the shots. That's a different shot, Erwin. We
Shots.
will learn about that next week, guys. So if you guys want to learn or start using or learning English confidently, okay, and if you want to do this on your own, no shame. You can now start downloading or signing up through the Slow Speak app link in our description box. Plus, we have a free community where you guys can, learn together and walk this journey with other, non-native speakers and reach our goals and our future careers through this community and through this app. Okay, it's also linked in the description box. Join our free community and our Discord group. Thank you, everyone. Erwin and Ria,
Yes.
thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, and we will see you guys again next week. Let us call the shots next week. Let's learn about the term, okay? Bye!
Bye.